Have you ever watched Apple style motion graphics and thought, how do they make text look that clean and expensive? Well, today I'm going to show you how exactly to create that Apple style text animation in After Effects. And even better, I'll show you how to turn it into a reusable animation preset so you never have to rebuild it again. So if you want your text animations to look like high-end product commercials, stay with me till the end. Alright, so let's break this down step by step. Go to new composition, name it however you want. Select this color to get that Apple style. Then once you're here, we're going to start with a very simple text, which is Apple style, and align it center. Then this is what you have to do: animate, add position, and let's put this position to -100. Then add property, we're going to add opacity. Let's take this opacity down to 0. Then also add what we call blur and put this blur to something like 100. After that, let's come to the animator one, range selector and advanced. Make sure you put the shape to ramp up and also easy high -50 and easy low 100. After that, offset it to 100 first, keyframe it, go a couple of steps forward and offset it to 100 for the intro animation. And just play with the keyframes just to get that smooth animation, just like that. It looks smooth to me. Then after that, for the outro animation, just put a keyframe here for offset, go a couple steps forward and offset to -100. And that is it. It comes in like that, and just play with the keyframes. And my favorite part of all of this is to blur, and now everything looks smooth. I think it's a bit slow. I'm going to edit this. And again, if you want to use this style as your preset so that you don't have to go and make it from the beginning, just come to Apple style, your text source, and you have to kind of like select everything that you edited. So from text source, you select it, you select the offset, select everything that you changed, the shape and characters, easy high, easy low, position, opacity, and blur. After selecting all of that, save animation preset and name it however you want, like something like Apple 01, and save it. That's it. And I guarantee you that when you open After Effects again, you're going to be able to use this style. This is new After Effects file, just add any text, Apple preset, and if you find your preset, I guarantee you that it's there, Apple 01, and that's it. You don't have to make it again and again and again. Make it once and use it forever. Always add that blur thingy to make it smooth. Yep. And that's it. Your Apple style text animation is complete and reusable. Now you can use this in your projects and other motion graphic reels. If this video helped you, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share with your friends. See you in the next one.